lots of different forms.
At Rogers High School, ceramics teacher Richard Bech is always on the search for inspiration.
I want projects that are engaging for me, so I'm excited about it and I could engage the kids.
After watching a documentary on the troubles facing coral reefs around the globe, Bech's next project sprang to life.
The premise of the assignment is to create these ceramic wall art tiles that showcase coral bleaching and how corals are dying and what we could do about it to restore them.
Through further research, Bech learned about nonprofit groups who are researching ways to restore coral.
A technique called microfragmentation, where they cut healthy coral up into small pieces and grow them faster. They could grow a coral that might take 100 years to grow in less than a year. And then they transplant it back into the ocean.
One of the nonprofits told Bech that the process costs about $10 to regrow one coral.
We're making several hundred of these tiles in hopes of trying to raise $20,000 to then send to the nonprofits to know that some little school in Spokane cared enough to restore 2,000 corals back into the ocean.
The project has quickly become popular with Bech's students.
I think the project is really cool. I like the cause it's going to.
We're doing something towards a good cause and not just for fun.
Bech has also introduced the concept to other teachers in the district. At Lewis and Clark, Chad Brazil was quick to get on board.
It kind of gives the kids a little bit of interest and buy-in, to kind of know that they're concerned about the environment too, and oceans warming and things like that. And so they kind of have a little bit of a sense of connection to the process.
But we all had different ideas of what a coral reef was. The unity of all having the same box and then all of us putting different things inside the box makes it look really cool. There's a lot of variety in that.
Bits of coral, rocks, little underwater flowers, even though, I mean, it's not technically part of a coral reef, but it looks cool.
And while the overall concepts of teaching ceramics are still important with any of their projects, Bech hopes combining the projects with real-world issues will continue to inspire his students.
It gives them more of a purpose as opposed to, I have to do a project for a grade. And now they know, wait, I could be a part of something bigger than myself.